Today I'm going to make an all-time favorite American apple pie. It's better to cut the apples with the head side down for stability. Here I'm using Fuji apples, but Gala and Honey Crisp apples are good too. These apples are naturally sweet, so you don't need to add a lot of sugar. Before squeezing a lemon, press and roll it. It's easier to squeeze that way. Mix everything together and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Then drain the apple juice and save it for later. To prevent the pie crust from sticking, sprinkle flour on the board and cut it into rectangles. Here, I'm making tops and bottoms for 2 pies. Follow this pattern, cut 3 alternate lines. Both ends of the top and bottom lines should be cut like so. You can rework the leftover dough and make either 3 large or 4 small 7-ounce pie crust. Brush with egg yolk. Then bake it in 100° Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. Enjoy the chilled leftover apples from the filling with vanilla ice cream and drained apple juice. Savor every bite.